Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, July 7th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entry opportunities in the room, and I'm going to run through them all and what we did. First trade from left to right in no particular order time-wise was a gold short 1356 for power play. We took that down to our target. Okay, we had two of them actually. We had 54.4 and then 52.4. 54.4 and 52.4. So that made up to 40 ticks. Once the market hit this target here, we got long. Told everybody if you want to take a trade here, 52.9. Some people got a 53.1. And again, we had a target of 54.4. And once it got above 54.4, we had either an add-on or a new entry, okay, which was a power play, and that was at 56.4. And that one went up to 58.4, where we had a ZL come in. So short here, down up to 40 ticks. We had a long, this was the first target here was about 13 ticks, and then the second target was up at 58.4, which was about 50 ticks from the bottom entry. And then on the new entry on the power player, the add-on to 56.4 was 20 ticks from there, and we just had a beautiful day in gold. Crude, for those who took the trades during the news, and it was pretty quick, we sold 47.63. Okay, when it came down off the news, 47.63, I had exactly two targets. One was 46.85 to 80, and my next target was 46.42 into the 33 area, which it did hit the 42 right away. I figured that even if it did, once it touched the 42 and it came off, a lot of people were out already because the thing had already won a pretty big distance. It went from 47.63 down well over 120 pennies at that point. And I thought that even though it might get down to the bottom of this circle here, once it touched this 42 and came up a little bit, I said, if you're out of the trade, okay, kind of stop right around here, around 44, 43. I said, if you're out of the trade, buy crude, okay, and it might only be for like a 10, 15 penny, retracement. But I said, buy that, and then we'll see what happens. We'll see if it can go any higher or if they're going to come down. I said they certainly can come down at that point and hit the bottom of the circle or even lower. So that was a nice a little trade there that yielded us up to about another 10 or 12 pennies. This obviously was a nice trade. Some people can't trade during the news or don't want to, and that's okay. We also had a couple entries in the ES. Actually, it was the same trade, but we hit it twice. We shorted 850. We added, got out. Some people got a break even. Some people lost a tick or two on the trade. We didn't want to play with it, so it could have been a small loser on that one, no more than a tick or two. And then I said we're going to get right back in it at the 850. It comes back down to 850. We managed it tight here going into the crude report, but there nobody would have been stopped out. It just dropped. Again, my first major target was the 250 at this thick line here, 252 area. But I said that it's probably going to come down to 90.50 or even a little bit lower. Actually, never. It did, scoot a little bit lower there and then came right back up. And basically, that was it. We didn't take any other trades. That was a beautiful winning trade up to 8.7, 8 points, 6 points if you took this target here. Of course, peeling off contracts along the way. So just a wonderful, fantastic day. We had 3 winning trades in gold, 2 winning trades in crude for those who took them. And we had a nice, beautiful winner in the ES. We're going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. And until then, guys, have a wonderful day.